bad days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use your Google Classroom. So first you need to have your Gmail account. And then you have to sign in and look for Google Classroom on this part. Or you can type Google Classroom here. As you can see, these are all my previous classes. So for example, if I want to join a new class, I have to click here, so the plus sign. So if you're a student, you have to click join class, and then you have to encode your class code here given by your teacher. For example, I have my class code, so I have to click join. Okay, so this is my classroom, my virtual classroom. So once your teacher will upload your module or your assignments or quizzes, it will appear here in your classwork. So since we still this is your first time to log in, so here is blank. And then you can also find the post of your teacher here, and also the list of your classmates on this part. So that's all for now, and the next time I'm going to teach you how to turn in your assignments or your quizzes. So I hope you already join your classes. And then lastly, you don't need to download the Google Classroom application, so just have to browse it in Google Chrome. Okay, so you will save your phone memory.